We are busy in the kitchen again. This time we're using crab apples in a different way. We're making a raw chutney for your pholourie, your saheena, your doubles. Yo, whatever you want to put it in. The fact is we're making it. It's real simple. In the previous video with crab apples, we did crab apple chow. Today we're going to do a simple raw crab apple chutney. Great for your saheena, pholourie, put on your doubles, put it on your aloo pie, put it wherever you want. It's up to you. So we got crab apples, some garlic, scotch bonnet, shadow bennies, juice of half of a lemon. If you have a lime, I think a lime would be better. I don't have any limes. And some salt. It's that easy. What we want to do is with the crab apples, we're just going to trim off any sort of, see the blemish there? And we're just going to cut it up into pieces, like so. Skin and everything, it's going to give it a bit of texture. And we're going to get rid of the core. So nice big chunky pieces. Well, you can cut it up into smaller pieces. It's all going to go into a, I'm putting it in a magic bullet, but you can put it into a food processor. Crab apples into my magic bullet. Garlic, scotch bonnet in the amounts that you think you can handle. Lemon juice, salt, and water. Now, if you wanted to grate the crab apples, that is an option. It's going to give you a bit of texture. If you want to grate some and then puree some, it's totally up to you. Lid on, yeah. If you need to add more water or more lemon juice, by all means do so, because it will take a bit more liquid. Just gonna pour it into a bowl now, like so. And what I want to do is to give it a bit of contrast and see the little specks of red that I like contrast. Let me see if I can zoom in so you all can better see what's going on. I don't know if you all can see the red specks that's there, that contrast. I love adding contrast. I'm gonna finely chop the shadow benny. It's also called culantro or bandania. Nice fine chop, yeah? Just to give it a bit of contrast. And by chopping the shadow benny, it will really release the essential oils in there to give the entire thing a nice fragrance. Finely chopped shadow benny. Remember, if you can't get shadow benny, you can use cilantro. Then all you want to do is give that a mix. You're gonna hit it to taste, adjust the salt to your own liking. And there you go, you just made crab apple, well, raw crab apple chutney. And like with green mango chutney, the crab apple gives it a nice fruity tartness, balanced with that garlic, finish it off with the shadow benny, and of course we have that salt. And the scotch bonnet, of course, is going to give it that kick, yeah? And there you go, such an easy recipe using crab apples. Yeah, those are seasonal to me right now, so I thought why not? I got some pholourie over at Famous Recipe Restaurant in Hamilton here, but the star of the program today, yeah, raw crab apple chutney, nice and spicy and flavorful, yeah?